Hey y'all, it's your girl Shai B, and I am back with another video, period, okay? So we're installing this wig from Subella Hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous, and guess what, y'all? It got the kinky edges. You know, like, it's been trending. This type of wig been trending. I've never tried, like, the kinky 4C edges, like, type of wig, and I'm so excited to install it. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, when I put this wig on, when I tell you the curls is popping, the curls is popping. I already bleached the knots. This is the wig and kinky edges up close. Y'all, okay, here's the thing. I did try to pluck it, and I low-key plucked the chunk out, but we still gonna work with it. It's still gonna be cute, okay? And this hair just gives like Megan Thee Stallion, like, you know, she's in her era of that curly hair. Like, it's really, really cute. It really gives spring, summer, September. Like, it gives the girls. I also saw Aaliyah J with her hair curly too right now. And I'm like, that's the vibes right now. That's the vibes. Like, it's super cute. And I absolutely like love curly hair. I really, really love curly hair. And I feel like I haven't installed like a curly unit in a minute. So I'm like, this is the perfect time. It's getting hot outside. It gives beach. It gives laying back with a lay on you in Hawaii, drinking your rum punch. I don't know if rum and Hawaii go together, but it's gonna go together right now. But it's giving though. It's giving that. Like, I want to be on vacation right now. And y'all already know I'm using Erica J's lace adhesive in watermelon scent. It's amazing. This is the strongest holding lace glue that I've ever tried, y'all. Y'all literally only really need one layer, and your lace will not lift for the entire day. It will not, probably for a couple days, because that's how strong it is. Like, I would highly suggest to get the Erica J lace hold adhesive, because y'all, the best on the market, okay? And I literally have to, because I don't use lace remover, which is bad, y'all. Use lace remover and the skin protectant. I don't use it because I'm like used to lace and it doesn't irritate my skin, but use it properly, okay? Don't be like me. But I just take my wigs off. I still got my edges intact, low-key, kind of, sort of. But yes. And I'm using 2 layers of lace glue, y'all. 2 layers, because I wanted to make sure that this wig stayed on. It's going to stay on with 1 layer, but I was like, okay, I'm going to keep this on for a couple days. I don't keep my wigs on more than 3 days because I don't like the feeling of anything on my head when I'm asleep, besides braids and my little cornrows that I be having in. But other than that, I can't have a wig on me. It'd be aggravating. But I know I wanted to keep this on for more than 3 days, so I was like, let's get into it.
Get plenty things kind of life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalists flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a
Okay, now don't come for me for using these school scissors now. Okay, don't come for me. That's all I had. And then my dog, he chewed the end of it, as you can see. But anyway, though, I'm going just in a zigzag motion to cut the lace. And I'm telling y'all, the lace look low key invisible, like low key. I have to get a better foundation or powder because my forehead is darker than the lace that I have or the lace wigs that I do have. So I had to find a good powder or another foundation just to blend it in better. I recently bought one. It's too ashy. It's too light. So I'm like, no, I'm good. Okay, it's too much. So cutting it with these scissors, it still look all right. It still look cute. You know, it still give. But you can see just that white cast. And then y'all gonna see where I made a mistake in a minute. Okay, and then after I cut the ear tabs off, I'm like, this lace is given. So I'm using the Eben Lace Melt Spray. It really worked good. I really should have just used this and just not added anything else. This is when I tell y'all that I made a mistake, right? So I put the lace melt spray on and I put foundation on because I was like, oh, it's not blending too good. But y'all see that it's blending good on that side, but in the mirror it still look white and like a cast kind of. So I'm like, okay, let's go in and do the other side. So y'all, it looks like scalp. It looks like scalp. It looks like scalp. Here's where I messed up. I put more foundation on because you can see I was looking at that little dark like side of my forehead, and I'm like, okay, let me just lighten that up and try to match it with the lace. And y'all can see in real time how I'm messing this up, right? It got lighter and I'm like, OMG, and it was not blending in. I put like a whole bunch of pumps of makeup on my lace and I'm like, oh no, this is not working. So I just ended up just keeping it how it was because you see the other side is melted, right? And then when you see it on the side, it looks melted too. But it just wasn't giving how I wanted it to give. Like I really wanted it to give scalp, but it was kind of giving a white cast a little bit. But it was still cute. Like I still loved it. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit. Okay, and after that, I decided to pull out the hair, y'all. Y'all see where I pulled out a little chunk of the kinky edges? But anyway, though, I decided to pull out some of the edges just to do like a little baby hair and make it look real cute and natural. Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Okay, y'all, and that is it. Like, share, subscribe, do all of that, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I am obsessed with this wig. This is from Subella Hair, y'all. And give me some tips down below how to really snatch this lace, okay? See ya. Bye.